The gay woman who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors and doing what needs to be done. I have a viewing at 5. I have an idea where the place is. I'm expecting to get the postcode for me to go there. The weather is extremely hot today, like so freaking hot that it's uncomfortable. I wanted to do a get ready with me when I was leaving and then I decided not to. And I changed up the outfit I wanted to wear because this weather is so hot. Oh my days. I need to do something about this, and the window in my bedroom is really facing the sun, so it makes it even a lot hotter. Let me message them and see what's up because I haven't had an update. Anyway, come, let's go. I am going to walk home. I wanted to eat and my friend called me and said not to eat, that he's going to take me to dinner. So I'm walking home quickly. I bought something from Boots. I bought cotton buds and Imodium. For some reason, I don't know what I ate yesterday, so I feel weird. I just wanted to share something. I talked about it on YouTube. This guy at my gym was staring at me like in disgust or whatever, I don't know. He was just acting weird. He did it like 3 times and I could see him. I don't know why, if it was because of I was using my socks because I don't have hand gloves at the moment. He was just staring at me and it was so weird. Then eventually we locked eyes. I looked at him and he smiled. And I'm like, what the F? What the flipping hell is happening? Why are you smiling? I didn't acknowledge that. I didn't smile, nothing, nada. And I just find that really, really weird. Whatever it is that is going on with people, that's their freaking problem. I don't freaking care. At the end of the day, I am going to live my life whether you like it or not. I just don't know. You're staring at me for what? And you're staring at me in disgust. Anyway, I'm going to go back now. My phone is almost dead. Charge my phone and then wait for my friend. Anywho, if you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.